Hey gang, this is Nathanial Bibby. Are you thinking of using videos to market your business? Maybe you're looking for ways to gain more followers or reach a larger audience or grow your sales revenue. Maybe you're kind of on the fence and you want to try LinkedIn video marketing but not sure how to get started. Why Nobody Likes Your LinkedIn Video is a special exclusive workshop that I conducted for my private client group. And I decided to make now available for anybody to access. So these are the exact strategies that I've used to grow my followers from, we went from 1 to 1,000 followers, and then we went from 1,000 followers to 10,000, and now it's in excess of 30,000 on LinkedIn. I've got a similar number on Instagram and my email subscriber list. I was honored recently at the Social Media Marketing Awards where I won the award for Best Use of LinkedIn 2019. So I'm not telling you this to try and brag or show off. I just want to let you know that these are proven strategies and systems. And I've basically narrowed down all of the learnings that I've had over the last few years, basically learning through trial and error, to focus on 6 key areas that you can implement which will fast track your results and make you skip that learning curve, and the mistakes to avoid that I see so many people making on LinkedIn. So if you're on the landing page, you'll see a button below that says Get Instant Access. This is training for our private client group. So it's certainly not for everyone. If you're not committed to growing your business and don't want more sales revenue, this is not going to be the right course for you. If you are looking for more reach, engagement, to drive sales through LinkedIn, then you don't want to miss out on this one-stop opportunity to access exclusive training. The offer that we've got is limited. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate you taking an interest in what we're doing at Bibby Consulting Group, and I hope our paths cross again soon.